Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Suzuki Leeds. Today I'm going to show you a video of this lovely Suzuki Ignis in Founant Red. This particular car has 24,308 miles. It has full Luscombe service history. It's had one owner and was sold from new from Luscombe's. As you can see, the car is in good condition. It is in a low insurance group and it does 53 miles per gallon, making it a very economical car. Now, the Ignis was the What Car Reliability winner of 2021, and as you can see, it has some very nice black alloys accompanied by rear tinted windows. Next I'll show you inside the boot space. So as you can see, it has quite a good boot space considering the size of the car, and rear sliding seats. Next I'll show you the inside of the car. So just like the outside, the inside is in very good condition also. If I show you over here, this is the multimedia touchscreen panel. Now this will have Bluetooth, a reversing camera and sensors, sat nav and Apple CarPlay with Android Auto. Now this car will come with 12 months MOT, a fresh service, and if you look on our website you'll be able to see a technician's appraisal video showing you all the underneath. Please feel free to get in touch for a test drive or for any additional information. My name is Jacob and I'll be more than happy to help you going further. Thank you.